So today's topic is availability group. Okay, so today's topic is availability group. Okay, so if what is an availability group? Yesterday we did the put away. Okay, so when I did a put away, the stock. Okay, let me go to the EWM system.
So we will stop at 6:30 today, yeah? Because I need to go to office.
Sure. Okay.
Cool. Thank you. I mean, it's 11 o'clock, sorry. Indian time, 11 o'clock.
You just let me know. I will stop it. Okay.
Okay,
So
11. Sure.
yeah. Okay. So just take SAP as the standard monitor.
Yeah.
Okay. Go to the stock and bin.
Yeah.
Okay. Go to the physical bin.
Yeah.
Physical stock. Where okay. I hope you have understood what is physical stock and what is available stock yesterday. I'm
Yeah.
going to SUPL mat 1.
Yeah.
Okay. If you see the stock types, the stock types F1 are in GR staging area, and the
Yeah.
stock type F2 is in the storage type RK01. So what is the interface that has split the stock from F1 to F1? So what is that, behind the screens that made F1 to F1? And this GR zone F1 corresponds to ROD of ERP system, and this F2 corresponds to AFS storage location of the ERP system. Okay, so there is a concept called as availability group. If you remember when I've taken this session, I said just blindly assign those availability groups. Okay,
Yeah.
so yeah, so let me increase this one. Now you have got, okay, if you see this diagram, you have got a plant. We have assigned ROT storage location to the plant and AFS storage location to the plant. And we have, okay, this is EWM part. Okay, this dotted line is EWM part. Okay, so when we created, we created F1 is the stock type that is showed in ROD.
Yeah.
Okay, and F2 is the stock type that is shown in AFS. Okay,
Yes.
so we have got the concept something called as non-location dependent stock types. Okay, so we have got FF, QQ, BB, RR. Okay, these are the non-location stock types that come from the ERP. Okay, if FF is unrestricted, QQ is quality, blue is block, and RR is customer returns. Okay, so FF gets converted into F1 if it goes to ROD. Okay, when it is an ROD, it gets converted into F1. If it is FF gets converted to F2 if it is going to the AFS. Okay, so when goods receipt is done, stock type in GR staging area is shown as F1. When goods are put away into final storage type, stocks are shown in F2. If you observe the stocks in MMBE, when we did a goods receipt, okay, when put away done, okay, when goods receipt is done, F1 stock type is in GR staging area. Okay, stock type is FF in ROD. Okay, stock type. Okay, ERP stock type FF got converted into stock type F1 in EWM staging area. When you have put the materials from the GR staging area into the final storage bin, the stock is updated as F2, and this again is updated in ERP system with stock type FF in AFS storage location. Okay.
Yeah.
Generally speaking, in ECC there are 4 stock types. If you go to MMBE, there are only 4 stock types. Okay, I'm logging into the ECC system.
Yeah.
Okay, if you go to MMBE, okay, if you see unrestricted stock, this is represented by FF. Quality inspection is represented by QQ. Reserve stock is not reservations. Okay, you can reserve the stock. It may be like, you will reserve the stock for the unrestricted ones. Okay, but this is not okay. So this may be unrestricted only. Then you have got receipt reservation. Okay, so on order stock, that is, you have this is not onto the premises. This is your open purchase order stock. Similarly, consignment order stock. Okay, stock. Okay, these are the stock in the transit. Okay, so but no, as of now, we have only seen unrestricted and quality stock types. Okay, these are the stocks that don't get updated into MMBE. Okay, these are still not the plant owned stock. Okay, plant stock. When the stock becomes plant stock, the stock is either unrestricted FF, quality QQ. Okay, so GR block stock, you know this one. Okay, GR block stock, scheduling for delivery. Okay,
Yeah.
so returns is a stock type again. Okay, customer returns. This is
Yeah.
represented by RR,
Yeah.
and block stock is represented by BB. Okay, others are like, in transit stock, in a kind of in transit sort of thing, where the plant is still not the owner. Okay, so mostly, it's ECC has got four stock types that are represented by FF, quality QQ, block BB, and returns RR. Okay, in ECC, we maintain stock types in purchase order. Okay, whether to receive the stock into unrestricted FF or to receive the stock into quality QQ, and the stock type is available in delivery tab of the purchase order. So here, if you go to this tab in the purchase order, here where we provide the stock types. Okay, whether you want to receive the stock as a unrestricted stock type, quality stock type, or block stock type. Okay, if you go to this purchase order, one of the purchase order in ECC system,
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
okay, you have got only three stock types. Other stock type is not visible. That is, customer returns. When you take it, it will go into the block stock type. Okay, so for this one, you have to go to the delivery tab where we provide the stock types. Okay, you can see that there is only three of them. Okay, so unrestricted FF, quality QQ, blocked BB, returns is RR, customer returns is RR. Okay, so first of all, if, availability group configuration. Where did we do the availability group configurations? We have mapped ERP storage locations to the EWM storage locations at this part. That was the first step we did. Okay, so if you go to the EWM system,
Yeah.
okay, I'm sorry, I'm into the ECC system. I'm going to the EWM system. In the EWM system, we have mapped, we have gone to SPRO, SAP reference,
Yeah.
extended warehouse management, extended warehouse management.
Yeah.
Then we went to the goods movement. Okay. It's goods history. Okay, goods. We have to go to, okay, we have to go to the interfaces and ERP integration. Interfaces, ERP integration, then go to the goods movements. Here we mapped, okay, so map storage locations from ERP system to EWM. If you remember our warehouse, okay,
Yeah.
okay, plant is SUPL.
Yeah.
So we have mapped AFS to 002 availability group, ROD to the 001 availability group. And
Yeah.
this one, okay,
Yeah. 002. Yeah.
Yeah. For ROD 001 is assigned, for AFS 002 is assigned. Okay. In purchase order, we use stock equal to ROD, and ROD is assigned with 001. Okay. If you have observed the stock in inbound delivery notification and inbound delivery, it was F1.
Yes.
Okay. So, okay. And why the F1 is coming? Okay. So stock type is F1. Okay. Now, if you go to where do we define these availability groups? Okay. Where do we configure this availability groups? Okay. The availability groups are configured at this path. Okay. The SPRO, IMG, uh, EWM, goods receipt, extended warehouse management, goods receipt. Under that one, we have got configure availability groups for put away. Okay. So go to the goods receipts. Okay. Under the goods receipts, okay, extended goods receipt, you have got configure availability groups for put away. Okay. See the first node, configure availability groups for put away. Okay. So under this one, you go to define availability group. Okay. And provide SUPW is our warehouse number. Okay. Availability group is at the warehouse number level. Okay. You can define your availability groups. Okay. So I'm just deleting this two. We don't need this one. We are using SUPW 001 and 002 for our exercise. Okay. Now, if you want to define non-location dependent stock, okay, that is, okay, see, your ERP system may not be SAP, and you want, if you have to define new stock types, then you can define the stock types in this node. Okay, just go back. Usually, if it is, okay, this is where we define the non-location dependent stock type. Okay. So here, okay, our warehouse has got SUPW and it has got, for example, for the blocked, FF is for the unrestricted. Okay, these are the stock types that are coming from your ECC system. But if your ERP system is not SAP ECC system, then if you want, you can create new stock types. Okay, mostly we don't define non-location dependent stock types if it is a ECC system. Okay, so this is where non-location dependent stock types are defined. Okay. Okay. So now we will configure the SAP system. Okay. Now configure the stock type. Okay. Now we have got availability group. We have got non-location dependent stock type. Now we have configure stock type. Okay. So see this F1 and F2 are configured somewhere else. So I am showing you how the this is the node where we are establishing that lookup value to convert the FF stock type from the ECC system into F1 and F2, and how it is getting converted. Okay, this is with this help. Okay, so let me go to the position. Okay, okay, warehouse number is SUPW. Okay, let me say that stock type is F1. Okay, you see this both of them. Okay, see if non-location dependent stock type is FF. Okay, then availability group is 001. Then the stock type is F1. Okay, okay, if the non-location dependent stock type is FF, availability group is 002, then the stock type becomes F2. Okay.
Mm.
And please, at this moment, there's something called as stock type role. I will tell you what is stock type role tomorrow, but as of now, this is a normal stock. I'm saying this is a normal stock for the time being. Okay. So
So
this
just
is the con. Yeah.
so if you go back to the other screen again, sorry.
Okay.
So this is again like a determination happening. Yeah, this is what is this is one of the reasons why we have a determination, isn't it?
This is assignment, right? Then you have got determination. Okay. See,
Okay.
define. This is defined. Okay. Where you will assign it. Okay. Okay. Sometimes, as I said, you cannot have define, assign, and determination. This is you are you have defined the stock type. You are assigning it, and but there you are not doing anything for the configuration, the determination.
Yeah.
You are assigning also your 002 availability group in the storage type, right? If you remember availability group, I'll come back. Okay, this
Okay.
is your assignments. Okay, this is your assignments, a kind of assignment. Okay, yeah.
Okay.
Now, see, if you remember, you have assigned. Okay, this is your determination. Okay, you can say that this is your assignment. The next step can be your determination. You are assigning. You have assigned this one 002 storage type to the RK01 storage type, if you remember, and you have
Yes.
said that mandatorily flip the stock type. That is, convert F1. Okay, F1 is in the inbound delivery notification. It is getting converted to F2 because you are saying that whatever mapping is done for 002, take that stock type and flip it to F2. You are saying mandatorily. If you don't check this one, then F1 will not be connected to F2. Is it fine? So you in the final destination, you have to assign the availability group and also this checkbox.
Yeah.
Okay. So what is the sequence of the steps is the steps are happening. We have created a purchase order with location ROD. Okay, with stock type FF in ECC. In
ECC.
configuration, yeah, in configuration we assigned ROD to 001 availability group. Okay, because 001 is the availability group. So if you come here, the stock type is F1 as per the 001. So the stock type in the inbound delivery notification will be F1. Okay, from configuration of availability group 001, it converts stock type FF into F1. So your inbound delivery notification is converted into F1. We was having stock F1. Okay, that is when stock is in GR staging area, stock type is F1, which is nothing but unrestricted stock in put away. Okay, when stock is placed in final storage type RK02, okay, and final and we know that final storage type is assigned with the availability group 002 storage type. Okay,
Mm.
some configuration of availability group 002, it gets converted to, okay, the stock type FF gets converted to F2. Okay, so that is stock type is F2 means unrestricted available for sale. Okay, so this one, because of this configuration 002, your FF is getting converted to F2, and this will send information to ECC, because okay, ECC, and because you have assigned 002 to AFS, in the ECC stock is moved from ROD to AFS with movement type 400. Okay, so the rapid function mod. Okay,
411.
411. Okay, so this is what the everything behind the screens. Okay, so
Yeah.
now we have got few questions. Can we assign one availability group to more than one storage location? Or can we assign one storage location to multiple availability groups? Please remember, relationship between availability group to storage location is always 1:1. You cannot have either of this one. Okay, one availability group to one storage location. Okay, is it not possible to have single storage location instead of two storage location? It is possible. See, we are saying that when the stock is in the put away, I want to say that it is a dock, and when the stock is in the final destination, I am saying it is available for sale. Okay, so can we not have this performed with one storage location? We can have it, but I think you need to activate the some enhancements. Okay, maybe you need to do some enhancement, but most of the cases EWM has come up with the two storage locations. Okay, so there is also one more. This document is there. Don't read this document now. What is the advantage of going with two storage locations? Okay, how EWM is giving you the uh, edge to have two storage locations. This is what if analysis from a block. Please read this document after the course is done. Okay, but don't read anything right now. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, now we will do a scenario to better understand some of the scenarios to better understand all the possible indicators with the availability group. Okay, one of the scenario is, okay, see, I was showing the materials in AFS. Now I want to I've got excise products and I want them to be stored in a new storage location. Okay. If it is a new storage location, obviously I need to store it in, okay, I need to have a new availability group. Okay. Okay, leave about a storage type, new storage type doesn't matter, but I need to okay. So I got a new okay, I want to store materials, okay, excess materials in a separate storage location away from my normal materials. Let's say that the storage location is EXCC. Okay, since okay, the relationship between storage location to availability group is 1:1. I may have to define a new availability group, and also I may have to define a new stock type in EWM. Okay, so let's do this exercise. Okay. So first I'm going to define a new storage location. Okay.
Sir, just 1 minute. Sir. Can you just repeat that scenario again? Sorry, I just want to, instead
See,
of,
yeah, scenario is very simple. Okay, let's put at the ERC level. I've got normal materials and excise materials. Okay, let's say that I've got dangerous goods and I've got normal goods. Okay.
yeah,
Now I want to have a different storage location for my dangerous goods.
yeah,
Okay, so what are the configurations that are required in EWM? Obviously, you require another availability group. Just now I told you that the availability group to storage location relationship is 1:1. So
oh,
obviously I need to have one extra availability group. Okay, so I'm going to configure a new availability group. Okay, so let me do this one. Okay,
oh,
I'm going to create a new storage location. I'm going
yeah,
to the ECC system.
yeah,
Okay, I'm going to the enterprise section.
yeah,
Okay, definition, material management, maintain storage location.
yeah,
Okay, my plant is SUPL. I'll just create a new
storage location,
storage
excise,
location.
excise, yeah.
Otherwise, you can say dangerous goods. Okay, or anything. Okay, yeah,
Yeah, I understand exercise duty, so no problem. Yeah, understood.
yeah. No, no.
Now,
I have to assign this one to the warehouse.
assign this to the warehouse. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So
Plant already assigned to plant or plant storage location is assigned to warehouse.
warehouse numbers. Yes.
Okay, got it. Got it. Yeah.
Yeah. So
EX. Yeah. Okay. Got it. This one is okay. Okay.
okay.
Storage type.
Okay, we have did these two things. Now extend the material to EXCC. Okay, let's assume that same material. Okay, let me extend this one. Okay, let's assume that you okay, this material is excise material. I'll just extend it. You can create a new material, but instead of that one, I'm trying with the same one. Okay, I'm trying to show you the functionality of availability group to storage location 1:1 relationship. Okay, so now let me extend this. Okay, extend the material to the storage location SUPL MAT1. Okay, I'm extending it to
Exercise. Yeah. Storage location. Okay.
storage location. Okay, now go to the we need to define a new availability group for put away. Go to the EWM. Okay, define availability group. Okay, now I have to define a new availability group. I'll define this one as EXC. Okay, so I'll just define a new availability group. I'm saying new entries. My warehouse number is SUPW
Yeah.
EXT
Yeah.
excess availability group.
Mm.
Okay, I'm saving it.
Yeah.
Okay, no, this is no, I have to define a new stock type in EWM system. Okay, F1, F2, okay, are the stock types in the EWM system. Similarly, I have to define a new stock type in the EWM system. Okay, so to define a new stock type in EWM system, I need to go to this path. Okay, configure
But
Okay,
can't we take F1 directly? Why do we need to assign a new one? Could,
you can try that one. You can try that one. You can, okay, try that one. Okay, but I want to have different stock types the per my storage location. You can try that one as well. Okay,
yeah, because yeah,
okay, you can try that one as well. Okay, so but I'm trying to show you the differentiation. You can try this one as well. Okay, so I'm going to this path to define a new stock type. Okay, in
yeah,
EWM system. Okay, go to SPRO. This is totally at a different path. Okay, it is not in the, okay, it is not in the extended warehouse management, but it is in the SCM basis. Okay, go to the SCM basis, then you have got line. Okay,
yeah,
there is something called as logistics inventory management engine. Under this one, go to the basic settings. Under the basic settings, you have got, okay, application specific setting. Okay, under the application specific setting, you have
yeah.
to, you have got determine stock type. Okay, so you can create a new stock type in the EWM system. Okay, I'm saying SUPW, then JE. Okay, okay, what it is saying. Okay, I'm sorry. JE is the stock type. I'm defining it. Okay, 1 minute. I just need to define the stock type. It's not at the warehouse level, it is at the client level. Okay, JE. JE is the stock type for exercise.
Excellent.
Okay. Okay, it is saying the entry is already exist. Let us take that JE only. Okay, whatever the entry is already existing as JE, we'll take that entry only. Okay,
Okay.
just see JE. Okay,
Yeah.
exercise, it already exists. Okay, let us take the JE only. Okay,
Yeah.
now we need to do the configuration. Okay, so we have got the EWM stock type. Okay, we have got the availability group. Okay, availability group is EXC. Okay, we have not defined the availability. We have defined the availability group, right?
Yes.
Okay, we have defined the availability group. So we have got everything now. We have to do
Stock.
this, yeah, configuration. We have to make that lookup value. Okay, okay, let me go to this path. Okay, define availability group. We have defined. Okay, now we are going to configure stock type. Okay, okay, I'm saying new entries. Okay, my warehouse is SUPW.
Mm,
Okay, and stock type JE, it should get converted to the stock type JE. Okay, okay, whenever the availability group in my destination is EXC.
yeah.
Okay, and non-location stock type that is coming from the ECC, the FF,
Yeah.
and it is a normal stock. Okay, I'm taking it as a normal stock. I'll tell you what is this one tomorrow. Okay, so we made this configuration.
Yeah.
Okay, see, you were saying that to use EXE and use F2, right? Okay, so you try that one. Okay, but 002 is for the F2. Okay, 002 is already there for the F2, so I'm not using that one. Okay, okay,
Mm.
now save this one. Okay, go back. See, I have to assign the availability group in the final destination, right? So for RK01, we have already assigned 002. For RK02 also, we have already assigned 002. So I will go with a new storage type. Okay.
Mm.
Okay. Now, okay. Before that one, I have to map, integrate my storage location to the EWM availability group. Okay. To do that integration, this is the path, right? Okay. So I'm going to this path. Okay, integration of Okay. So first of all, I need to map. Okay. So I'm going to I'm going to SCM extended warehouse management, ERP interfaces, ERP integrations, map storage location from ERP system to EWM. Here I am saying new entries. My warehouse number is SUPW. Storage location that is coming from the ERP system is EXEC. This is the logical system.
The plant is SUPL, right?
Yeah, plant is SUPL. Okay. Warehouse number is SUPW.
Yeah.
Okay. And availability group is EXC.
Yeah.
Okay. So, okay. So this is important in order to establish the connection.
Yeah.
Okay. So now we have mapped storage locations to the availability group. Now I'm defining a new storage type. Okay.
Storage type.
Yes, I will place the goods into the new storage type. So I'm going to the master data. Okay. Define storage type.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, okay, we already have got the storage type SUPW RK01. Okay, SUPW RK01. I will copy from that. Okay, and make some parameter changes. Okay. Okay. See, I'm saying here that put away rule is not to put away rule is I'm saying taking this one as a general storage area. Okay, what is general storage area? General
Okay.
storage area is nothing but an open space. You can have one storage bin per storage section. Okay, that is so I'm taking the put away rule as 4 and confirm put away is compulsory. Delete stock indication, and at the bottom, okay, I am giving this availability group as EXC. Okay, so
And also one more thing, sir, you have to change the code for RK01 to RKE1 or something like that.
yeah, we have changed. Okay, we are changing it. EXEC. This is we are copying it. Yes, we are creating a new storage type.
Yeah.
EXEC.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes. Okay. Now I'm saving it.
Yeah.
Okay. So new storage type is created. Okay. Now we are ready for the exercise. Okay. So
Yeah.
why we have selected generalist, but this needs to have a bin. We need to do the sorting and all sorts of things. But I'm going to have only one bin. I'm not going to create a set of bins because it is a open storage type. Okay. Let me create a bin. Okay. So to create a bin, I'm creating one manually. But you know that you have to generate the uh, okay, sorting sequence. You have to do the sorting sequence, right? But for this exercise, I have to make it short. I'm creating the bin with ls01. Okay, so let me create a bin under the storage type. Okay, so okay, I am creating exercise bin with ls01. Okay, storage type is exec. Okay, I'm saving it. Okay, now bin is there. Okay, everything is there. We are ready for the exercise. Okay, now get the report of all the goods, report of all those things where we have did goods receipt, but put away is not done. If there is no, okay, let us do that one for SUPL mat1 material. Okay, now I'm going to the monitor.
Yeah.
Mon. Okay, okay, go to the inbound
Yeah.
documents. Okay, inbound delivery.
Yeah.
Get all those inbound deliveries where you have did the goods receipt, but you have not did the put away. Okay,
Yeah.
so here put away status, goods receipt status. Okay, I'm selecting goods receipt status as completed, but put away is not started. Put away not started. Okay. Okay, select one of the inbound delivery. Let's say that I'm selecting the first one. Okay, goods receipt is now is completed, but if you see other statuses, unloading is not started, put away is not started. Okay. Now, okay, select this one, inbound delivery. Okay, before that one, select the line item, first line item, and see the stock type. Okay, the stock type is still F1. Okay, the stock type is F1. Okay, so the stock type of the line item one is F1. Okay, and it is because you have, like, assigned it to, okay, it is coming from the ROD. Now I'm selecting this line item, inbound delivery, follow on function, warehouse task. Okay, see, you have to get two line items. Yesterday I don't know why the two line items were not coming, and for the first one it is 1010, and for the second one it is SO10. Okay, I will select the first line item. This is a warehouse, okay, warehouse request, and this is a, okay, I said that there can be two kinds of warehouse requests. One is if you want a product warehouse task, and another one is handling unit task. Okay, as of now, handling unit task is not there because this is a product warehouse task. Okay, select the line item and click on create. Okay, because there are no put away strategies, system is throwing error. Okay, now go to the default values. Provide the destination storage bin as EXCC as the storage type, and provide the bin under the storage type. Okay, again click on the create button. Okay, now click on create plus save. Okay, warehouse task is created under the warehouse order. Okay, so warehouse order is at the header level. Warehouse task is nothing but line items under the warehouse order. Okay, so I'm going to warehouse task, confirm it. Okay, now when I confirm it, okay, this is going to this bin. Okay, now I'm going to do the confirmation. Okay, at this time the stock is in transit. Okay, the stock is being removed from the GR staging area and being placed into this storage bin. Okay, so the stock is in transit. Okay, there will be a variation between physical stock and available stock in the GR staging area. Now I'm selecting this one and I'm saying confirm plus save. Okay, now the stock is available in this bin, exc/bin. Okay, you can go to \n/scwm/ls03. Okay, provide the exercise bin. Okay, now observe for the stock. Okay, select this one, click on the quant. Okay, so you have got 8 quantities of the stock. Okay, try to, okay, and here you see what is the stock type. It is JE. Okay, so this is how, availability group to, okay, because you are assigned EXCEC in this storage type, and you have said that the stock type show, and you have made a assignment to the storage location with the help of availability group, and because you have assigned that availability group in this storage type, the stock type is getting converted into JE. Okay, you can also see the same in monitor. Okay, provide the standard SAP monitor. Okay, go to the stock and bin. Okay, go to the physical stock or available stock, click on this one. Okay, provide SUPL. Okay, the material which we have just now placed. Okay, if you see this stock types, okay, for this bin it is JE, for this bin it is F2, and for others it is F1. Okay, so this is how your stock type, ERP stock types get converted into EWM stock types. Okay, you were saying that you need, you want to take F2 only, right? In that one.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, let us try that one. Whether we can assign it or not, let us see. Okay. I'm going to SAP reference. I'm going to XCM extended warehouse management. Then I'll go to the goods systems process.
Yeah.
Okay. Then configure availability group for put away.
Yeah.
Okay. Configure stock types. Okay. So I'm saying new entries. If my warehouse number is SUPW, stock type should be F2. Okay. Availability group is EXC. Okay. The stock type coming from the ECC is FF.
Yeah.
What it says, and already an entry already exists with the same key. You cannot have the same. Okay. You cannot have the same. Okay. This stock type to this availability group is 1:1. This stock. Okay. You cannot have it. Okay.
So
Prior to this one, I have not tried it. You cannot have it. Okay. So it is also 1:1 relationship.
no,
Stock
but
type VWM2.
you have already assigned JE, so you need to remove that JE to F2 because the reason.
No. Why not? No, I can assign n number of stock types to one availability group. What I'm saying is this
Yeah.
F2 is already assigned to 002. I'm not able to assign it to EXE. If you see other settings,
Okay.
okay, other way it is possible. You can assign n number of stock types to one availability group. Okay, for example, SUPW. Okay, if you see 001 has got stock type FB5 and it also has got stock type C1. Okay. Okay. So I'm trying to assign, let's assign C1 to our availability group. Is it fine? Let me do that one more time. I'm now trying to assign B5 to B5. Okay. To my EXE. Okay. I can assign, right? Okay. See, from this one, it is very clear that I can have n number of stock types against one availability group. Are you clear, Sachin? For example, B5
But
001,
yeah.
C1 001. Okay. No, I'm trying to assign C1 to my this thing. Okay. I will assign C1. Okay. Let me see. I'm trying to assign C1 now. Okay. I'm like assigning C1. See.
Must be
Okay, so it will not okay, you will not be able to assign it. Okay, let me instead of copy, let me create it with new entries. Okay, SUPW
yeah.
stock type is C1. Okay, I'm saying C1. If FF stock type is coming this one, then I can EXC. Okay, I have never tried this one, but yeah, let's try this one. Okay, it is saying an entry already exists with the key. You cannot have it. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, that is what is the conclusion. Okay, we will connect tomorrow. Okay, we will complete availability groups to tomorrow. Okay,
Okay. About the WPT, if possible, can you just quickly show you because I don't know what to go back and find that one.
which one?
You know that I had that error message I sent you in WhatsApp.
Oh, error message is simple, right? You know what I'm saying? Define that your warehouse is not having WPT. Okay, go to SPRO.
Yeah.
Okay, go to extended warehouse management, then cross processing settings, then warehouse task. You have got this define WPT, define warehouse process type. Okay, so what is your warehouse number?
S10W.
S10W.
Yeah.
Okay, you see, do not have the 1010 movement type. Okay, simply go to my warehouse number. What is my warehouse number? SUPW. It
Yeah.
has got 1010. Okay, okay. Copy this one.
Okay.
Put your warehouse S100W. Right? I'm doing it.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, you try it because someone has deleted 1010 from 000001 warehouse number. Okay. If you remember, we did it with copy technique. Yeah.
Yeah. So now if I go back into
Yeah. Let's go. Okay. Go to SCM extended warehouse management, then go to the delivery processing, inbound delivery, maintain inbound delivery notification. Okay. Maintain your S100, S10W here.
yeah. So it automatically it will.
No, it will not. Okay. You have to activate it. Okay. So now, okay, hopefully you have got the RO assigned. Now I'll say activate. Okay. You see your PPF action is now green color. Okay. Okay. Try to create another one. It doesn't matter. Okay. You can go this one. There is an okay. Now you
Yeah.
go to this one. Okay. Why PPF actions? Okay. Click on this one. Okay, go to inbound delivery to see what is the issue with you. Inbound delivery. Maybe you have to create the new one for this one. Old ones will be with the error only because this of the database update. No,
Yeah.
see, no, there is no issue at all. No.
Yeah.
So that PPF action is not going, but it doesn't matter. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's fine. Okay, it should be fine. Yeah, you can try.
Okay. So
If you
now
create the new one, the PPF action will be green.
okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. And if you want to remove this one, from these lines, how can we remove these ones? They cannot be removed or they remain as it is.
It cannot be right. If you want to remove, we have discussed process codes, right?
Yeah.
Apply the process codes, make them zero, right? Yesterday we discussed, right, how to you make use of the process code, make it 0 here. In inbound delivery also of ERP system will also become 0.
Yeah. And automatically once everything is
Mhm.
okay, I'll try to finish it because I'm behind right now.
Mhm.
So I'll not be able to do it. Okay, no problem. I'll catch up later. Yeah, no problem.
Please, do remember in any ERP, it is not it is not possible to delete any document. We don't delete any documents. Okay, special most of the cases. For example, Migo document you cannot. Sales order document you can delete it. Outbound
Yeah.
delivery you can delete it. But some of the documents that you have processed like Migo, you cannot delete it. It's only reversal. So here also reversal.
Yes. No, what I was saying is this monitor means in this not monitor but this report.
Mhm.
Once it is completed, it goes away. Means I don't means if it is complete, I only want to see all the ones which are means needs to be done. The older ones it should go away automatically. That was my question. I don't want to delete
Ah,
it. I don't want.
okay. So
I
you do
don't.
not, you want to actually, you have got this open advanced search. There is a filter. You can apply that filter. Then you will get only those things. You have to create a variant for this one.
Okay. 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 Okay.
Like your open purchase orders.
Yeah. Just wanted to see means all the closed ones. I don't want to see something like that. Yeah.
Yeah, you can, apply your filter here. Okay.
Yeah.
And, apply the filter and try to like put a filter, create a variant for it, and you can execute that variant like your open purchase order report. Then you can only see the open purchase orders similar to this one. You can apply the filter. This is just you know there is a open advanced search, this one
Okay. Okay.
at the right side. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And also, do you have any document for interview questions or something like that? Technical interview questions like.
uh, yeah, we will have it at later stage, Sachin. I'll include that Abdul. We have got a lot of questions. He has been asking daily that interview questions only yesterday. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. No problem. No problem.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thanks,
Okay.
Sachin.
See you tomorrow. Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.